Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Bose QC35 has enough charge and is powered on. Low battery can interrupt pairing. Turn the headset on and slide the power switch into Bluetooth mode until the LED blinks blue. That puts it into discoverable state. On your laptop, open Bluetooth settings now so the device list is visible. This gets you ready to pair immediately. Doing these steps first minimizes retries and speeds the connection process, since both devices will be actively searching for each other. Once the headset is discoverable and your laptop's Bluetooth panel is open, find and click the listing labeled Bose QC35. You may see a pairing prompt or code. Accept or confirm it to authorize the connection. On Windows, choose hands-free or stereo if prompted. On Mac OS, it usually connects automatically as an audio device. Wait until the laptop shows the device as connected or available for audio. This ensures your system routes sound to the headset rather than the laptop speakers. Finish by selecting Bose QC35 as the default output, and input if using mic, in your sound settings so apps play through it. Test with media or a quick call to confirm audio quality and microphone behavior, making volume adjustments as needed. If you don't hear sound or the headset fails to reconnect, remove the device from Bluetooth, restart the laptop's Bluetooth adapter, or reboot the laptop, then pair again. This resets stale profiles and usually resolves the common handshake problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.